Thundering into the early 80s, with a design that fused practicality and bold industrial presence, the 1982 COF9670 Eagle from International Harvester stood as a symbol of American trucking's transitional era. This Cabover engine marvel wasn't just a working rig. It was a statement of engineering that embraced both the evolving demands of long-haul efficiency and the rugged reliability that drivers demanded in an unforgiving industry. The COF9670 series marked a significant step forward for International Harvester, moving away from earlier boxy designs to a more aerodynamic profile that reduced drag and improved fuel economy for the time. The Eagle trim brought premium comfort and styling upgrades, plush interiors, improved insulation, and distinctive badging that made it the luxury counterpart to its standard siblings. Drivers stepping into the Eagle were greeted with wraparound dashboards, generous sleeper compartments, and ergonomic controls, a rarity in many trucks of that era. Power came from a variety of engine options, with the 1982 model year commonly featuring big-bore diesels like the Cummins NTC Detroit Diesel 8V92 or Caterpillar 3406, delivering between 300 and 400 horsepower. These power plants, paired with fuller Road Ranger transmissions, gave the COF9670 the muscle to tackle coast hauls with authority. The truck's co-layout also offered greater maneuverability and maximized trailer length within federal size limit, key advantage in the days before widespread adoption of conventional long-hood tractors. Throughout the 1980s, incremental improvements were made to ride comfort, rust protection, and electrical systems, keeping the model competitive until the industry's shift toward conventionals. In the late decade, the COF9670 was eventually phased out as regulations and driver preferences leaned toward better ride quality and easier engine access, but its legacy endures among collectors and enthusiasts. Today, a well-restored COF9670 Eagle can command anywhere from $35,000 to $65,000 depending on originality and condition, while modern rigs like the Kenworth T680 or Freightliner Cascadia offer unmatched aerodynamics and advanced tech. Few can match the sheer nostalgic charm and commanding stance of the COF9670 Eagle. If the roar of classic diesels and the sight of chrome-laden legends still stirs your soul, don't just watch history, ride with it. Subscribe now, drop your stories in the comments, and join our unstoppable convoy of trucking enthusiasts, keeping the spirit of the road alive.